Hey, hello, and in this video I'm going to share with you how do you actually create less content giving you higher returns. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Leanne Peard, winner of the Social Media Educated 2019 for Australia and New Zealand, and now you're waiting for the intro. There isn't one. Sorry about that. That's a work in progress. Anyway, let's have a look today how you can create better content with giving you back more time and being more effective in your business. So step one, why don't you keep doing what you're already doing? Do more of that. Is it working? Did you check your insights? Did you check your statistics? You'll probably find that some of the posts that you're already creating on social media are doing a marvelous job, but you're probably just not checking the stats to see what's working for you. So the first thing you need to do is pop over and check your insights, your Google Analytics and your statistics to ensure that what you're doing is working. Step number two, that's 4. Step number 2, what you need to do is video content. If you've not heard of Gary Vee and all the specialists in this field talk about video and how video marketing will attribute to 85% of all internet traffic by this year, then this is your time to hear it again, I suppose. Anyways, where was I going with that? So video is going to maximize your content, your creation, and your time. Why? Because you can create one video and repurpose that video across multiple channels, multiple platforms, and actually address all your target market. So let me share with you how you do this. If Facebook is your place to be, then you would start with a Facebook live show and stream live weekly. And then from this live video, you can download and upload to this amazing platform called YouTube. From here, you can actually just share the video. So you could share the video to Pinterest, to Twitter, to LinkedIn, to Reddit, and a couple of other really funky sites. The next step is you send this video to rev.com to get it transcribed. It'll cost you about $1 a minute, not a lot of money. And then you'll get a transcription of your video, which is the words that I'm saying now. What you do with that is then place that onto your blog post and then insert this video in as well. So now we have, I don't know, I've already lost count, 5 pieces of content. The next thing that you do is cut this video into short micro segments of your video and put it on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. If you're game enough to go over there and start working magic on TikTok, then we'll actually be sending traffic from the micro videos back to your YouTube channel, increasing your subscriptions here. Then we'll take the words of wisdom from your blog post. So in that blog or in that video, you would have given some great tools and tips. And we'll go to canva.com and we'll actually create a quote. Ding, of your words of wisdom. Now, what can you use this for? You can use this for a Facebook post, a generic post again, Facebook and Instagram, even LinkedIn, sharing your words of wisdom with the world. The next thing that you can do is actually take the blog post and post it into LinkedIn as an article, as an actual post inside LinkedIn. Also, you could use it as what we call a long form post on Facebook, which is great because now we've distributed this one video to, I don't know, I wasn't keeping count. If you were, let me know in the comments section, because it really doesn't matter. What matters is that you've repurposed one piece of content, giving you a higher return on the marketplace, driving traffic either back to your website and or your YouTube channel, depending on what strategy you want to grow or what your strategy is for growth. Now, the thing to do, what you need to do is start creating some video titles. So to save you time, the best strategy that I have is to go on to Google and YouTube and search for what people are actually searching for so that you know what to create your videos on, which is really not that hard. How to bake a banana bread in Google. Yeah, if that's your niche. Anyways, how to maximize your time once you've created a list of what we call keyword titles from your YouTube and your Google searching, then you will actually create time to batch your video content, which means 2 to 3 hours. Make sure you have some different shirts. This one, change your shirt so that you don't have the same outfit in every video that you're batching. And then go to Google Drive, create a Google Drive account, and store your videos. So then when you have time over the next week or two, you can start editing them. What platform do I use? I use ScreenFlow because I run a Mac. So guys, hopefully that's helped. If it's helped you as a social media manager how to batch your clients' content, or maybe if you're a business owner, then don't forget to hit the wonderful little subscribe button and the bell ding so that you can get more updates for your social media marketing. Have a great week. Don't forget to leave me a comment below about whatever I asked you before. You know what to do. Ciao. Anyways, multiple platforms. If Facebook's your place to be, I was actually going to say something else there. Should be, no. Search for what people time out.